A very damp welcome to you from Wild Nettle Gardens. I've just come down this morning and it is all looking glorious but very, very wet, which I did not appreciate before I did any form of gardening, how much I would enjoy the rain. Beautiful rose hip there. I think I'm going to take some seeds from that one. But I've been really poorly this week. Well, not really poorly. I've been poorly this week, and so I haven't been down here as much as I would like. So when you've not been for a while, it's nice to come and see the changes. I'm in love with these glads. They're so elegant, and I'm running around like a mad woman trying to put the right colour wool on them. I have some late blueberries, which is lovely. Oh, I can see a really tasty one there. Oh, and some down there too. How nice. So I'm lucky enough to have a fresh fruit smoothie as often as possible because I thought that would really help me get well, and it seems to be doing the trick. But when I came this morning, everything was a bit heavy with rain. So these are my tree peonies from seed. I'm just wondering if I need to put them inside in the winter. But this kind of secret gardening that I'm doing, where it's just like, let's see what happens. I love being on all the Facebook pages and everybody's, can I do this, can I do this, can I do this? And I'm just like, yeah, let's see what happens, let's try this. And it's not always successful. That's my kiwi there, with two very tiny kiwis growing. Those are my first. I've had those, as I said, 3 years. Lots of the asparagus doing well. Well, they're a bit drenched today. But I'm thrilled because it was supposed to rain all week, but it failed to do so. But anyway, I've been having a discussion on Facebook about goji berries. Those are mine. I was given those by, I believe his name was Neil. And some people were saying that theirs hadn't fruited in 5 years, so they've given up because it's an ugly monster. I personally think it's gorgeous. But and this sort of rather downtrodden thing is a fellow allotment holder. Just give you an overview of my beautiful gladiolus. Was digging up a big patch of yellow irises. Would I like some? Yes, I would. So I have taken a lot of those. Now, the blackcurrants seem to be over. I have had a large quantity. And I think I've labelled now all the fruit bushes. So I know the white currants, the red currants, etc. I thought I had 4 jostaberry, but I seem to only have 1, which is interesting. But they are like weeds, as I have found out, so I can just take a cutting and make myself several more. The raspberries are all over, bar the singing. Oh, look, there's a beautiful, sumptuous looking black currants that I missed. There we are. So that one's definitely a blackcurrant bush. But I was labelling the roses, so just to show you, my raspberries are on the decline, bless them. That is the result of my generous neighbour. So those are all the yellow lilies, irises, I keep saying that. So I'm not sure that all of them will take, but I wanted to show you how glorious the roses are. They are just splendid. And these are the new ones. So again, these all need to be potted out properly, got rid of all the disease. But I'm loving them. They all look a bit drenched today. But even David Austin is looking a little bit better, so that's great. So Sarah Raven told me that in a video, well, she told lots of people, not just me, that salvia is great for keeping the black spot down. So I have lots of seeds, and I bought a couple of plants just because they're so pretty. Look how lovely they are. So I'm going to put the blue ones with the pink roses, and I've got red ones and pink ones and all sorts. So just a quick update. There's been lots of toing and fro. Oh, look, I have a strawberry in the corner there. So these were, I got 2, look at me. I should be having strawberries in my, where's it gone? Not very good at focusing this, am I? Still, after all this time. So, there's some more lilies. It really was a massive patch that he dug up and insisted that he wouldn't accept any help. Okay, I'm just going to walk down here. So, I have been since I've been poorly, able to catch up on some emails. So I've emailed lots of councils and people, and some really lovely feedback. So people passing it on to different people. These are echinacea from seed. If anybody wants to grow them, they are super easy to grow from seed. And of course they're medicinal. Not for me though, because I have a thyroid disorder, and if you have a thyroid disorder, echinacea is not very good for you. Now, I believe I bought this fluffy pink thing in the front here. Where has it gone? There, which has gone over, but it's a beautiful pink. Oh, and the smell here is divine. I know I should go because very soon I will be sneezing. But all these orange lilies have come out, and orange is by far my favourite colour. And the irony is, of course, that I don't really like the colour pink, except in flowers. I love it in flowers. Those lilies are stunning. I think my friend Jill may well get a visit. So we've got lots of these puppies. Couldn't tell you the name, bought them because they were pretty. They keep having babies, so I'm happy about that. These lilies are beautiful. They should grow to full size next year. I put them in really, really late because they were in the bargain bucket at, I don't know, somewhere like Wilko's or something like that. So, but they've all chosen to flower and seem to be a little bit partial to fir trees at the moment. So this is another little new present to me. So it's very peaceful down here. It's all well watered, so I can get on with some other jobs which don't include watering, which is nice because it usually takes about an hour and a half. So I hope you're all doing well. It's a little bit crazy out there. You know, possibly heading back into lockdown again. How tedious is that? But anyway, just a little bit of an update from my beautiful, beautiful plot, and I will send this to you lots of love and say, hopefully, we'll have some news soon. You are very patient on this journey with me, and I have no patience. So thank you for supporting me all this time. All right, lots of love to you. Stay well, stay safe. Bye.